Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma and you are watching video tutorial series of aptitude and reasoning concept. In this series, I will be discussing the concept in three categories. The first one is concept maker, in which I will be discussing the basics. The second is concept builder, in which I will be discussing the numericals on the topic. And in the third category, that is concept enhancer, I will be discussing the tips and tricks to solve the problems orally in the real-time scenario. So now I will start with my today's topic. In this video, I will be discussing the short tricks on averages. Right? Now, we know that average is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. So, the sum of observations will be average multiplied by number of observations. Okay, and now we'll be solving the problems based on this. Okay, now the problem says there are 25 numbers and the average of 25 numbers is 18. Okay, so the average of 25 numbers is 18. The average of first 12 numbers is 14. First 12 numbers is 14. And last 12 numbers is 17. Then find the 13th number. Okay, so now what we understand from the question, there are 25 numbers, first number till 25th number, and these are the first 12 numbers whose average is 14. Then there is one 13th number. Then these will be the last 12 numbers and their average will be 17. And the total average of all these 25 numbers is 18. Okay, so how will we calculate? First we will take the sum of all the 25 numbers. We'll subtract the sum of first and last 12 numbers and we'll get the 13th number. Okay, so how will we do that? So the sum of 25 numbers minus sum of first 12 numbers plus sum of last 12 numbers. Okay, will be the 13th number. Okay, so the sum of sum of 25 numbers will be 25 into 18, that is average of 25 numbers into the number of observation is 25. So it will be 25 into 18. Sum of first 12 numbers is 12 into 14 plus sum of last 12 numbers is 12 into 17. Okay, so when we solve this, we'll get the answer 78. Okay, so I think the concept is clear to you. Now I'll be solving the next question. And the question says that the average wages of a worker during fortnight comprising of 15 consecutive working days. There are 15 days, okay, was 90 per day. So there are 15 days. So the average was 90 per day. Okay, and during first 7 days, the average was 87 per day, and last 7 days, the average of last 7 days is 92 per day. So find the average of 8th day. Find the wage on 8th day. Okay, so it is again easy. We have to take the sum of the total number of days, that is 15 days into 90 minus sum of this, that is 7 into 87 plus 7 into 92. Okay, so this will be 1350 minus, we'll take 7 common, and this will be 179. So it will be 1 minus 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 49 and 6 is 5, for 50, this will be 1253. So our answer will be 97, because it is 100 and minus 3 is 97. Okay, so his wage on 8th day will be 97. Okay, so now I think if you apply this formula, the question will become easy, right? So I'll be discussing more short tricks, so stay connected. So we are done with the lesson. If you find the video helpful, then give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. For more videos, you can subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubt, you can comment or mail me. For the notes, you can follow my blog. So just study well, score well, and all the best for your preparation. Thank you so much.